Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: HashMap class in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what are collections framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what do you mean by framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java in the form of java.util package to work with Java collection of objects. So in this Java collection framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level or a base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four other popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. And all these sub collections are sub interfaces for collection interface. So coming to some technical points on collections framework. So collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. So if we store any primitive data type value also, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. So in collections, every data is stored as object itself, and to be more precise, it will be stored in object class object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of HashMap class in Java collections framework. So first of all, HashMap class is available in java.util package, and this class is inherited from map interface. So here map interface is not inherited from collection interface, one of the important point, but it is part of Java collections framework, right? So as we are discussing here, map interface is a sub interface, so except map here. So first three are sub interfaces for collection interface, right? So map interface is not inherited from collection interface, but it is part of Java collections framework, right? And this class is clonable as well as serializable. So both are inherited interfaces. So clonable means using clone method, we can create a duplicate hash map, and then serializable means HashMap class object can participate in serialization and deserialization process. So this is what is HashMap class. So in the command prompt, if you issue the command java p-p java.util.hashmap, so HashMap class is clonable as well as serializable. And then coming to, it implements map interface. So it is inherited from map interface. So let us see the description of map interface. Java p-p java.util.map, right? So map interface, it is not inherited from any other interface, but still it is part of java.util package collections framework. So all the methods of map are inherited to HashMap, right? So let us try to understand some technical points related to the HashMap. So HashMap is a collection of objects storing the data in the form of key value pairs. So key value pairs means you'll get it as like this: key 1 value 1, comma, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, and so on. So here all keys are unique and values can be duplicated, and initial default capacity is 16 and load factor is 0.35, 0.75, which is 3 by 4. So this load factor decides the capacity of HashMap. It decides the capacity of HashMap. For example, Let us say initial capacity is 16. So 16 into 3 by 4, which is equals to 12. So when we add 12th object, automatically the capacity will become double. 16 plus 16, 32. And in HashMap, we don't have indexes for collection of objects. In HashMap, it does not accept duplicate objects. So here duplicate objects means, to be more specific, duplicate keys. So duplicate keys are not accepted, but values can be duplicated. Right. So now order is not preserved in HashMap because keys are stored using hashing technique, which is used by JVM. So it accepts null values. Okay. It accepts null values, only one null key, because keys are unique, but we can have multiple null values. Now coming to the constructors and methods, it goes like this: java p hyphen p java.util.hashmap. Right. So get back to the command prompt and then issue the command java p hyphen p java.util.hashmap. Right. So we are going to use this constructor. So this is a default constructor with initial capacity of 16 and default load factor 0.75. So this is another constructor where we give our own capacity with default load factor 0.75. This is another constructor int comma float. So first one is our own capacity 20, 30, 40, and second parameter is our own load factor, and generally we have to give the load factor from 0.5 to 0.99. Right. So these are important constructors. Next, all are inherited methods from the map collection. Size of the hash map, checking for emptiness, get. So get, you have to pass the key, you will get the value. Next, contains key. So key value, checking for a particular key in hash map, put. So instead of add method, here we have put key comma value. This will be added into the hash map. And then we also have remove. It remove followed by key. It will remove a particular key value pair and it will return the value. So k comma v, here it indicates key comma value. And then we can also use clear method, which is used to remove all the objects at a time from the HashMap collection. Contains value, so we have to pass the value, it will return true or false. Similarly, contains key, it will return true or false. So these are some basic methods which are available in HashMap, and all these methods are inherited from the map collection only. So if we see the description of the map, it goes like this. So map is an interface which is not inherited from any other collection, but still it is part of Java collection framework. So size is empty, contains key, contains value, get key, it will return the value, put key comma value into the hash map collection, remove, okay, next, clear, etc. So all these methods are inherited to the hash map collection. So let us try to work with these methods in HashMap collection. So take a program, HashMap class example1.java. So take a new page, program to demo, HashMap collection of key value pairs objects. So first import the java.util package and then take the main class with main method and save the program in our working directory. Right. So first of all, we are creating an object of HashMap. hm is equals to new HashMap with the initial default capacity of 16 and load factor 0.75, which is 3 by 4. Right. So let us add some elements into the HashMap collection. So hashmap.put 10 Java, 20 Oracle, 30 .NET. So 10, 20, 30 are keys. They should be unique. Java, Oracle, .NET. These are values. They can be duplicated. Right. After adding 3 elements, print hash map, print size of the hash map, and check for the emptiness of the hash map. So save this program and then come to the command prompt. Right, so let us compile this program. So java c hash map class example1 dot java. Right, compile it, no error, and then run it. Fine. So 20 Oracle key value pair, 10 Java key value pair, 30 .NET key value pair. So here order is not preserved because the keys 10, 20 and 30, they will be using hashing technique to store the data into the hash map. And then size is 3, is empty, false. Right. So next let us put few more elements one by one and then verify. Let us put some duplicate keys also. Right. So next I'm putting hashmap dot put 30 php. So 30 is already available. It should not accept the duplicate keys. So it will replace the previous value. So 30 .NET will be replaced by 30 php. It will replace the previous key value pair. Save it, recompile and run. So 30, previously it is .NET, now it is PHP. Next, we'll take 40 PHP. So values can be duplicated. So 40 PHP will be accepted and then print hashmap. Right. So save this, recompile and run. So here we have 40 PHP. Values can be duplicated. Next, null testing. So null is a key, so it will accept one null key. It is accepted. So recompile and run. So null testing is accepted. Null key. Null means nothing or no value. Next, we are putting 50 null accepted, 60 null accepted. We can have multiple null values, but only one null key. Save it, recompile and run. So 50 null and then 60 null. Next, we'll put one more null key. So null HTML. So this will replace previous null testing because we can have only one null key. Right. So testing will be replaced by HTML. Save it, recompile and run. So null HTML. Previously it was null testing. Right. So next, let us try to get some values for a particular key. Right. So first we'll see get of 10, get of 50. So 10 value, 50 value. So recompile, run. So 10 value is Java, 50 value is null. Java, null. Next, get of null, get of 55. So save it, recompile and run. So get of 55. Okay, get of null. So get of null HTML, get of 55. So 55 is not there, it will return null. HTML null. So missing key value will be null. Right. So this is missing key value is null. So this is our for missing key. So similarly, we can also use contains method. So contains key 10 true, contains key 55 false. Save it, compile and run. So contains key 10 true, 55 false. We don't have 55 key. Similarly, we'll also work with contains value. So contains value Java true, contains value CSS false. Save it, recompile and run. So contains Java true, contains CSS false. Right. So next we can also use remove method here. So remove 60 and then remove null. So it will remove that key value pair. Okay. So key value pair is removed. Right. So 60 null. And then after that we are printing hash map. Right. So recompile and run. Right. So previously we had 60 key, null key. Now we don't have that. 10, 20, 30, 40. I mean 50, 20, 40, 10, 30. So 60 and null keys, corresponding key value pairs are also removed. Right. So next, remove 55. Right. So 55 is not there. So it will return null. Because the return type of remove method is, it will return the value, corresponding value for which key is removed. It will remove both key value pair. Right. So next we'll perform a cloning using clone method, because HashMap is clonable. So HashMap dot clone. So clone method return type is object class. Convert that into HashMap class and store the reference in new HM, and then print new HM. Order may not be same, and then size of new HM. Right. So save this, recompile and run. So after cloning, 40 PHP, 50 null, 10 Java, 20 Oracle, 30 PHP. So this is the order of original hash map. This is the order of new hash map. And then size is 5. Next, clear. So clear means it will remove all the elements, key value pairs at a time from hash map. Right. So new hash map dot clear. After that, print new hash map, no data, size 0, is empty, true. Right, save it, recompile and run. So no elements in the new hash map, size 0, is empty, true. So this is how we are supposed to work with hash map collection in Java collection framework. So that is what is all about hash map class in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.